we're going to go over how to make the iParts for all the bits that need to be of the various sizes, so the shaft, the main body and the clamping bar. I'm going to use the clamping bar as an example. So we're going to go ahead and start a new part. I'm just going to go ahead and model it. So I'm going to do my sketch on the XY, and the first thing I'm going to do is going to do the diameter of the main shaft, which is 7mm, and we know it's 380mm. Always go mid-plane, especially when you're planning on doing a mirror. And then I'm going to do the thread that's 10mm either end, so it's an M8. So I need to do that at 10mm. And we've got a fillet on this inner edge just here of 0.5. And we also have a chamfer of 0.5 on this end just here. And I'm going to go ahead and put the thread on and just make sure it's the right one. M8 125, yep, perfect. So I'm going to now mirror all of those. And because I did it on the XY, no, that's the one I need to mirror it on. So that's the part there. So I'm just going to save that one as clamping bar. And then what you need to do is you need to go into the Manage tab, and in here you have Create iPart. And then what you can do is we have this one here is called Clamping Bar 01, Clamping Bar 01, but we're going to change that to say Clamping Bar 300 stroke. And then we're going to just copy that across into the part number as well, just so it's obvious when we're trying to copy parts over later. I'm now going to go in and insert enough rows to do all of them, so from 100 to 500. Let's just start filling this in now. So again, I'm just going to do exactly the same. I'm just going to put in 100. $150, because it's 50mm increments, as you'll know from the task. We've got 300 of course, so I don't need to do that one. Skip this to 350. So I just need two more. Finally, 500. And I'm going to go ahead and do the others as well. So. So now we have all of these part numbers and the members making the correct one. What we need to do now is what you can do in Advanced, as you say, double click this one. I want this dimension to change for all these different ones. So we know that, for example, the 250 is going to be our 380, which is the length of the whole clamping bar. That will be minus 50, and then the 350 one will obviously be plus 50. When I've done that, I'll just expand this one just so you can see. And then we'll have minus 100, minus 150, and then down at the bottom we'll have obviously the opposite. So now we have all of the different parts, and we're telling Inventor that, say we, for example, open the clamping bar 500, we want the length of that to be 380 plus 200, and then we'll have the correct length clamping bar for our assembly. So then we just need to press OK. And of course we need to add the material, which is stainless steel. And we just need to save that. And that is how you create an iPart.